Create rooms easily with one click. You can create both straight and curved walls by entering the dimensions. Select your next planning step in the Neat Coherent menu. You can now create doors and windows and place them freely or by entering dimensions and positions. To change the design of your planning, select from various door and window models. Doors, windows and walls can be adjusted to the actual dimensions by using grips to pull the elements to the required positions. Create interior walls made of various materials at every step of your planning process. You can change your planning elements in terms of dimension and design, also in 3D mode. By selecting several elements at once, you can change them all with one operation. Individual changes are displayed in real time. Change the size and position of elements by dragging and dropping them in the drawing. When you select single parts, they can be cut to miter joints or butt joints automatically. Tools for individual and quick changes of construction complete the production planning data. You can also change data manually. For this, you can use commands which you are already familiar with from AutoCAD, such as stretch, trim and mirror. All properties of all parts can be changed at any time. These changes can also be made to other objects. Sections and details are created automatically based on the construction drawing. You can also copy section levels. All changes to your planning are updated in the drawing in real time. Hardware and joints are set automatically via the database. You can change the suggested joints manually after setting them. Lamelloclamics, Tenso and Divario are fully integrated in the system. Cross-cutting is available for all angles. Organizational tools for part list structures. All CNC programs are generated automatically out of the construction drawing, with different materials being taken into consideration.